this place just gets better and better. And we do it because of our love for our veterans and what they have done, the sacrifices that they have made to make our country free.
It's a semi-private golf course. It's set up for disabled veterans and handicapped veterans.
It is fully ADA compatible. The front nine has been redesigned to make it that way. And the back nine, which was designed by Jack Nicklaus, was constructed that way. Those people who can't stand or move very readily, they can go anywhere that a golfer can walk.
When these guys come over to our golf course, we let them know no is not in our vocabulary. When they come in, their shoulders are slumped forward, their heads down, but by the time they leave this place, their shoulders are back, they're smiling, and they're giving someone grief. And that's what we want from our veterans. Since our veterans are American-made, the Ventrac is American-made, it's just a great pairing.
I have two Purple Hearts being wounded in Vietnam. I love America. I fight for America, and I like American-made.
We love the Ventrac, especially around the sand traps. We use it on the front around all the greens, and then on any of the hilly areas, this thing is fantastic.
We've got some steep undulations here, and with the contour head on the Ventracs, we have no problem with scalping. We have no problems with anyone driving it.
We get so much rain here that when the course is really wet, that machine can get out here and work where a lot of our other bigger machines cannot work, and put a very light footprint on the golf course and still get things done.
The volunteers that we have here, they're here because of their love for our veterans. And everything we do at this golf course is because of our love for our veterans. And most of us are veterans, and a lot of us are combat veterans. And we're just giving back to the guys we loved or we served with.